Hi Muto, and today on Sudachi I'm going to show you how to make a refreshing Japanese Sunomono salad. It's perfect for summer, so let's get started. First we're going to make a sauce. Pour 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of mirin, and 2 teaspoons of rice vinegar into a pan and let it bubble for about 30 seconds. This sauce is called Sanbaizu and has a salty, sweet and tangy flavour. Take it off the heat and let it cool for a bit. Add 1 tablespoon of dried Wakame seaweed to a bowl and soak it in water for however long it stays on the packet, usually a few minutes. While I wait for those, I'm gonna thinly slice 100 grams of Japanese cucumber, place in a bowl, and massage it with half teaspoon of salt to draw out the excess moisture. If you're using English cucumber, I recommend cutting in half lengthways and scooping out the seeds before slicing. Let that rest for 5 minutes and cut 80 grams of boiled octopus. If you don't want to use octopus, you could use boiled shrimp or imitation crab instead, or just omit it if you like. Okay, now let's wash the salt off the cucumber and give it a good squeeze to get all the moisture out. Once that's done, place in a mixing bowl and add the drained rehydrated wakame, the octopus, and the Sanbaizu sauce. Mix until everything is evenly covered, then it's ready to serve. You can enjoy this Sunomono as an appetizer, side dish, or even as a refreshing snack. And great news, I've launched a free mobile app that makes following along with my recipes even easier. It's the perfect kitchen companion after watching my videos. You can access step-by-step instructions right on your phone while you cook. The download link is in the description below. Thanks so much for watching. If you want to know more about this recipe, you can find all the info on my blog. I've put the link on the screen. You can also find more similar recipe videos in my Japanese appetizers playlist on the screen.